Number 1. 1965 Chevrolet Corsa, $7,300, Madison, Wisconsin. This 1965 Corsa has been in storage for over 25 years and now returns to the road with renewed life. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and a flat-6 engine, it runs well with new tires and a fresh battery. The interior is in good condition, showing no rust. The paint is average, and there is a rear axle grease leak, along with possible worn pushrod oil seals. Despite minor mechanical attention needed, it's a rare, sporty compact that offers unique rear engine fun. Number 2. 1969 Triumph Spitfire, $7,000, Salinas, California. A classic British roadster in excellent condition, this 1969 Triumph Spitfire features a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and only 62,400 miles. It runs well, boasts a fresh carburetor, and has solid paint. Although the registration is currently in non-operational status, this Spitfire is mechanically sound and ready to deliver that authentic, open-top driving experience. Lightweight and nimble, it's perfect for weekend drives on scenic routes. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $5,800. This 1974 Monte Carlo presents as a mostly original, well-kept personal luxury coupe. With a 350 cubic inch engine and turbo 350 automatic transmission, the car has undergone significant mechanical updates: camshaft, lifters, timing set, fuel tank, intake, and carburetor. A new radiator, water pump, and windshield add to its reliability. While the exterior shows honest age, it's a strong running cruiser with classic 70s lines and V8 power. Number 4. 1971 Plymouth Duster, $15,000, Hopkins, Minnesota. A standout muscle-era compact, this 1971 Duster is equipped with a 318 V8 upgraded with 340 heads, mild cam, headers, and a 3-speed automatic transmission with a shift kick. Finished in yellow with a black vinyl top, the car has a refreshed interior including carpet, stereo, and a trunk-mounted amplifier. With power steering and strong road manners, it offers an excellent blend of classic muscle and modern comfort. Number 5. 1974 Volkswagen Thing Convertible, $12,000, Burley, Washington. This rare 1974 Volkswagen Thing is a collector favorite with tons of desirable upgrades, including a new 1600cc engine, freeway flyer transmission, short shifter, and rare factory-style exhaust. Rust-free aside from small common quarter panel areas, this thing comes with factory wheels, roll bar, sliding windows, and original engine parts. Heat and defrost systems are all upgraded, making it a strong-running, fun, and rugged open-air adventure vehicle. Number 6. 1969 Ford Fairlane, $14,000, Aliso Viejo, California. This 1969 Ford Fairlane Fastback Coupe features a 302 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and newly applied paint in gray. It boasts a new leather interior, dashboard, and carpet. With modern BF Goodrich tires and rust-free panels, the car only needs front suspension bushings and shocks to be fully sorted. The odometer has rolled over, but this is a clean California Muscle Lux classic that's easy to own and enjoy. Number 7. 1953 MGTD Convertible, $12,300, Berkeley, California. A charming British roadster with classic lines and a rare garage-kept history, this 1953 MGTD features a 1.3-liter X-PAG engine, 4-speed manual gearbox, and independent front suspension. With only 17,500 miles, it has been well-maintained and recently tuned. Spoke wheels, good radials, and cherry red paint make it a head-turner, while clean mechanicals ensure it is ready to drive, the perfect vintage European convertible for spirited weekend cruising. Number 8. 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, $18,000, Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. This 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 is a strong, dependable, full-size classic with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 70,000 miles, it features all-new suspension, air shocks, fuel tank, and dual mufflers. The Holley carburetor and fresh tune-up make it drive strong. The interior is very clean, and the green paint is complemented by white wall tires, a turnkey cruiser from Ford's golden era of big-body sedans. Number 9. 1967 Buick Electra 225, $19,000, East Helena, Montana. A big-body cruiser with presence, this 1967 Buick Electra 225 features a 430 cubic inch V8 big block engine, reportedly rebuilt in the 1990s and barely driven since. It remains in excellent condition, with straight lines and original charm. The Electra was Buick's top full-size offering, combining power with comfort. This one is a true land yacht and a serious head-turner, ready for relaxed open-road adventures. Number 10. 1961 Chrysler Newport two-door hardtop, $7,500, Santa Barbara, California. An incredibly documented and well-preserved piece of Chrysler history, this 1961 Newport is equipped with a 361 V8 upgraded with 4-barrel induction and Chrysler 300 style cosmetics. It includes all original documentation, 2-owner history, and has lived its entire life in California. Rebuilt mechanicals, accessory trailer hitch, and factory literature make it a collector's dream. Finished in Alaskan white, this hardtop coupe has both style and substance. Number 11. 1972 Chevrolet Suburban, 20,000 Hoover, Washington. Known as Mellow Yellow, this final year 3-door Suburban has undergone a thoughtful restoration with a V8 engine and 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The interior has been heavily refreshed. New carpet, custom panels, stereo system, seat covers, and sound system. With updated suspension and brakes, it offers comfort, style, and space. A rare and increasingly collectible full-size classic SUV. Number 12, 1971 Chevrolet Nova, $23,000, Irvine, California. This solid desert-built 1971 Nova features a strong-running 350 V8 paired with an automatic 3-speed transmission. Power brakes and steering are included, and the car shows 67,555 miles. No rust and functioning lights and gauges make this a turnkey driver. The Nova is one of Chevrolet's most popular muscle compacts, and this one is a clean, well-presented example with great driving manners and show potential.